Thank you. Welcome back. We are going to be doing a little bit of administration. Yes, the boring stuff on the creative world that needs to be done. I need these two files. One is the IRS W-9 form and the manual for the nonprofit organization, the art league that I'm volunteering to. I want these two files to be accessible. Sometimes I'm away from my computer and those files, they need to be sent to the recipient as soon as possible. So I want my team also to have access to it, even if they are remote or so that will be the easiest way. I do have a copy on my external hard drive. You can see it in here, and I'm gonna go ahead and go to Google Suites at this moment. I'm gonna go to the Google Suites. So let's go to the Google front page. And as you are familiar, if you haven't seen the other videos, I'll go ahead and put the link below on the Google Suites. I'm gonna be making a fresh tutorial as well, but for now, you can go ahead and gives you an idea. The package of Google that provides is incredible for the it's free. There is no charge so far. And when you open this 9 little dots in here, it will give you all the options. All these are applications that you can run pretty much any business from here. I'm in my account, my Gmail account. You do need to create a Gmail account, and these are some of the files that I already have in here. So I want these files to be in the drive, which I'm going to the little icon in here, and I'm going to upload them at this moment. Let's see, I know they are in my desktop, so I'm going to create a new one, and it says upload file. You click in here where it says new, and then upload file. Well, let's see a folder. Let's create a new folder. We're gonna have TBAL um, admin administration. So I'm gonna put create, and the folder is right here, TBAL administration. So inside this folder, I want to, you can download anything that it is in here eventually, but at this point I want to put those folders in there. So you double click and then drop files in here, or you can use the new button. So you can use this new button. You double click in the folder, it will open to this window. If you don't have nothing in there, this is the window that you will be seeing. So I'm gonna select these two files and I'm gonna drop them, and in here it tells me that one is there, check mark is green, and the other one has been uploaded. So these two folders are right here already. Okay, so it doesn't have any signatures. It is a folder that I named for my for my demonstrator. So I'm going to rename it because we don't need to be using the personalized name. So I'm gonna just do this W9 form demonstrator. Okay, so that is explicit enough, so anyone who comes to this folder can see and then go ahead and send the link. This is the welcome manual that we use for our members. So with this information, it is already on your drive, and I'm gonna exit in here. And when you are in Google, let's say on the main window, and you want to access those folders, you are going to look for your drive icon, and it's going to take you to whatever you have your folders, your it's going to take you to that to your area, and I'm going to look for the folder because that's what I want to get a link to it, which are these two folders in here, and it tells you that they are under the TBAL administration. So let's say this demonstrator needs this file. I want to make sure that this file can be downloaded. So I'm going to copy the link and put it in my notepad for now. So this is the link that I'm going to be sending to the person who needs access to the IRS form, the W-9. So when this person clicks on that link, this is the form. I can now edit it or do anything. The only thing that I can do is download, which that's what you want the person to do. And it's on your download area, and then you can put it in your desk, and it's going to show in here. Okay, IRS form, demonstrator, and I don't want to do that right now because I already have it. It gives you an idea that you have it right here. They are under the administration, TIVAL administration folder. I mean, you can name your folder however you want it. And you can access this link remotely. You can access it, you know, when you're on the road. I mean, not driving, of course, but you know, when you are away from your computer desk, so that way people is having those, especially files that you're always sending to people. I hope this information is useful, and please subscribe, like this video, and make comments. This is what motivates me to make more content, productive content, and hopefully inspire your creativity along the way. Thank you for